Good morning, friends. Today we are going to teach trigonometry functions. So, in trigonometry functions, there are four quadrants. In first quadrants, range is 0 to 90 degree. First quadrant range is 0 to 90 degree or pi by 2. Second quadrant, they have range is 90 to 180 degree. This is pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2, any angle 0 to pi by 2 is first quadrant. Similarly, second quadrant, pi by 2 to pi. This is called second quadrant. Similarly, this is 270 degree. So, pi to 2 pi by 3. So, if you go pi to 2 pi by 3, you can come to second quadrant. And then after this is 360 degree. Again, this is 2 pi. So, you 270 to 360 come. This is called fourth quadrant. So, how many quadrants are there? There are four quadrants are there. And again, we can go like this. So, in trigonometry functions, first quadrant is 0 to pi by 2. Second quadrant pi by 2 to pi. And third quadrant pi to 2 pi by 3. And fourth quadrant is 2 pi by 3 to 2 pi. So there are four quadrants. In first quadrant, all 0 to 90 degree, all trigonometric functions are positive. Means sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, secant x, and cosec x. All trigonometric functions, all trigo ratio are positive. Means all six trigonometry, there are sin, cos x, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. All are positive. Next, sin x and cosec x are positive. In second quadrant, sin x and cosec x are positive. And what about the cos, tan, cot, and sec are negative. In third quadrant, tan and cot are, tan x and cot x are positive. Sin x, cos x, sec x, and cosec x all are negative. And last fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. Others are negative. So there are in all the quadrants we have 0 to pi by 2 first quadrants, all trigonometry ratio are positive. Then 90 to 180 degree second quadrant, sin and cosec are positive. And 180 to 270 degree tan and cot x are positive. Others are negative. Others means sin x, cos x, secant x, cos and here. So like that. So most of our students, they are getting here. This is called pi. This is called 2 pi. So this line is called 0 to here x. This is called even pi. Even pi. And this is called odd pi. Because here 1 pi. See, if you go to again pi, 2 pi to here pi, 3 pi will come. So odd. Again 3 pi to here will come pi, means 4 pi. So this is even place. And again you come pi, here come 5 pi. And again you pi come here 6 pi. Again you come here 7 pi. So this is the odd place of pi. And this is the even place of pi. So we are do here sine of even pi plus theta. Either even pi or odd pi, they will not change. So sine of n pi plus or minus theta. Similarly, cos n pi plus or minus theta. Tan n pi plus or minus theta. And cot n pi plus or minus theta. Similarly, sec n pi plus or minus theta. And cosec x n pi plus or minus theta. So what the answer here? If you n pi, if n is now n is odd. For example, n is odd. N is odd. So n is odd means they will come here. If you plus means they will go to second quadrant, and minus means go to plus means they will go to third quadrant and minus means will be second quadrant. So n is even or pi, no change here. So sine will be sine theta, cos will be cos theta, tan will be tan theta, cot will be cot theta, secant will be secant theta, and cosec will be cosec theta. But if you come plus, here plus means they will come to third quadrants. So if you plus symbol, if theta symbol is plus positive, if theta is positive, they will come to third quadrant. So only tan theta and cot theta is positive. Only tan theta and cot theta is positive. But theta symbol is, before theta symbol is negative, then they will come to second quadrant. So only sine theta and cosec theta are positive. If n is odd. Now if n is even, then what happened? N is even means here will come. If you theta, before theta here symbol plus means we go to first quadrant, all are positive, and theta is negative means only. So if theta is plus, then all trigonometry ratio is positive. If theta is negative means come to fourth quadrant, theta is negative means come to fourth quadrant. So theta is negative, then only sine cosec theta and secant theta is positive. Now we go for some examples, then better to understand. For example, anyone asks here sine 3 pi by 4, how to do? So we can write sine pi minus pi by 4. See, we write sine pi minus pi by 4 is nothing but 3 pi by 4. So pi minus pi is here, pi is here. So this is how many pi here? 1 pi. So odd means we are here. And minus means we go to second quadrant. Minus means second quadrant, plus means third quadrant. So minus means second quadrant. So sine is the boss, so sine plus, and no change, sine pi by 4. So answer is 1 by root 2. Now anyone they ask cos 13 pi by 4, how to do? So what we do here, cos, this is 3 pi plus pi by 4. Because 3 pi plus 4 is 12 pi plus 1 pi is 13 pi. So 13 pi by 4. How to do this? 13 pi by 4 we can do here cos. So 13 means odd or even here. This is the odd number. So again we are here. And plus pi by 4. So plus means third quadrants. So they are third quadrants, only tan and cot are positive. So what we write here? Minus cos pi by 4. Answer is minus 1 by root. Similarly, someone asks here next cos 17 pi by 4. How to do? So we do here, or cos, next question 15 pi by 4. Like this they will ask. So what we do here, first 17 pi by 4 cos, this is 4 pi plus pi by 4. If you do 4 pi plus pi by 4 is 70 pi by 4. So even or odd, this is the even. So we are here. Plus means first quadrant will go. So in first quadrant they are positive. So what we write here, this is plus sign cos pi by 4. So answer is 1 by root 2. Similarly, this question how to do? Cos 15 pi by 4. So what we do? Cos 4 pi minus pi by 4. Now again 4 pi means even place. This is the even place. OX is a even place. So what we go here? 4 pi by 4. So 4 pi by 4 is here even place, and minus means again fourth quadrant. Minus means they will go to backward directions, plus means they will go forward directions, means clockwise. So if you come minus means the anti-clockwise they will come, and if you plus means clockwise. So this is minus means they will here, he is here, now they will come back. So cos, so what become now 4 pi, so here minus pi by 4 means fourth quadrant, so again plus cos pi by 4, and this is nothing but 1 by root 2. Similarly, any types of question, someone they will ask 13 pi by 2, what the answers. For example, tan 13 pi by tan 31 pi by 4, how to do this. So what we do here, we do tan, this is 8 pi minus pi by 4. So 32 minus pi is 30 pi by 4. 8 pi means here, minus means fourth quadrants. So fourth quadrant means minus of tan pi by 4. So what answer? Minus 1 by root 2. So like that we can do any questions. So any questions, if pi is there, we can do like this. Anyone tell ask 31st pi by 3, they will ask how to do. So we can write tan 10 pi plus pi by 3. So 10 pi is here again, and plus means first quadrant, so plus tan pi by 3. So either even pi or odd pi, this tan will be no change, only sign will be change here. Pi, either even pi or odd pi, this trigonometry ratio is same, but sign will be, if you odd pi, if you go to second quadrant, third quadrant, means like this symbol will be changed. So pi by 3 is root 3, so plus root 3. Thank you so much.